400 years into the future, two Arcadians look back through time, not as judges, but as witnesses. Their mission is simple, yet profound: to warn humanity of the path it once walked, and to reveal the extraordinary potential it unlocked when it finally chose unity over excess. This story begins in the year 2040, a moment the Arcadians would later name the Reckoning. Despite decades of warnings, global initiatives, and bold promises of sustainability, humanity faltered. Progress was overshadowed by an obsession with overconsumption. Convenience replaced responsibility. The planet paid the price. By 2070, the consequences were impossible to ignore. This era became known as the Dystopian age. Living conditions across the world were inconceivably harsh, polluted, overcrowded, and deeply inhumane. Waste mismanagement extended beyond Earth itself, with orbital debris and space dumping surrounding our planet like a scar. Faced with irreversible collapse, world governments made a unified decision: humanity would have to step back to move forward. After decades of struggle, sacrifice, and global cooperation, a radical solution emerged. The year 2100 marked the beginning of the retreat. Humanity withdrew from Earth's surface entirely, choosing to live beneath it, within engineered habitats, and beyond it in controlled environments for 50 years. The goal was unprecedented: to allow Earth's ecosystems to rest, regenerate, and heal without human interference. Then came the return. In the year 2200, humanity emerged once more onto the surface, and what they found exceeded all expectations. Nature had not only survived, it had flourished. Forests reclaimed cities. Oceans revived. Biodiversity returned at scales unseen for centuries. This success sparked a new philosophy: progress no longer against nature, but through it. By 2250, a new civilization took form. Scientists, pioneers, futurists, and imaginators redefined society using transbotanism, biomimicry, and biologically integrated design. Architecture was no longer built, it was grown. Using biomimetic 4D printing, structures evolved organically from engineered natural matter, adapting over time to human needs and environmental conditions. Communities reorganized into harmonious, localized neighborhoods, where technology, ecology, and daily life existed as one system. Humanity believed it had reached the pinnacle of innovation. But then came the new frontier. The question was no longer how we live, but what it means to live at all. The singularity arrived. Humans merged with artificial intelligence, transcending physical form and uploading consciousness into the digital realm. The body became optional, identity became infinite. Humanity officially ascended to a Type 1 civilization, mastering its planet and its own evolution. With eyes now set beyond Earth, beyond biology, and beyond limitation, the next challenge awaited. This is not a warning. This is not a fantasy. This is a future made possible by choice, brought to you by Arcadia Foundry's design team.